Just took this piece of cabinet grade 3/4 inch thick birch, ripped 2 feet off the end of it. So now it's 6 foot long, and this is gonna become the shop table. It'll be a little while before I get this table done. I'm still waiting on a bunch of stuff to come, but basically these rails are gonna get mounted down either side. I'm gonna space them up 1.5 inches, and this there'll be some crossbars that the router plate rides on. Roller bearings here, and then there'll be roller bearings on these rails. I've got T-tracks coming. I'll obviously router the grooves in for the T-tracks so I can have custom T-clamps and a fence, because I'm also going to get another router insert and set a router in this as well. Took some 1x6, cut it down to the length of the table, and then ripped it down to 2.5 inches wide. So 2 of these will give me that 1.5 inch thickness. These will get basically fastened up as my spacer tracks to run along the sides of the table. That'll do is raise my gantry up that 1.5 inches, allow me to do thicker slabs